Hi y'all, and welcome to this week's Feature of the Week video. This week I'll be demonstrating our Create Views command, which comes with our Naviate Accelerate line. Now to access the command, you have to go into the Sheets and Views menu, which will open up another ribbon of more commands. And the Create Views is all the way over to the left. Click the drop down and click on Create Views. From here, you'll have to select which levels you want to create your dependent views on, as well as what type of plans you want to be creating. In this example, I have a couple towers from floor 4 and up that I'd like to create some dependent views of. So I'll select these. Here we'll go ahead and check off floor plans and RCPs. You can associate a view template to the plan type that you're going to be creating. And if you want to make it a dependent view, go ahead and check off dependent view. And lastly, you'll want to select the scope boxes that you want to use for your dependent views. Once you have everything set in place, go ahead and click on Create Views. In this case, Naviate created 54 views. Go ahead and click Close. And as you can see, it created those views as well as associated the view template with them. And so that was Naviate Create Views function. Thank you for watching.